Renewal process. Renewal process for incoming traffic and service time characterization. As we know, whenever a subscriber originates a call, he adds 1 to the number of calls arriving at the network and no way by which he can reduce number of calls that have already arrived. This process can treated as a special case of BD, means birth death process, in which the death rate is equal to 0, that is no death occurring in this process. Just a process is known as renewal process. So in one line we can say, in renewal process no death occurring in the process, only birth is occurs. It is a pure birth process in the sense that it can only add to the population as the time goes by and cannot delete the population by itself. The equation arrived in renewal process by setting the transition equation of BD, birth death process, at death equal to 0, means mu is equal to 0. So equation 3.17 and 3.20 shows equation of birth death process at mu is equal to 0. Equation 3.17 shows at for k state and equation 3.20 shows for 0 state. So dpkt by dt probability is equal to pk minus 1 t lambda k minus 1 minus lambda k pk t. Next equation is d p naught t by dt is equal to minus lambda naught p naught t. Both the equations, the birth rate is dependent upon the state of the system. Let us assume a constant birth rate lambda which is independent of the state of the system, and then we get Poisson process. The governing equations of a Poisson processes are shown in equation 3.21 and 3.22. So for independent lambda, dpkt by dt is equal to lambda pk minus 1 t minus lambda pk t. This is equation of 3.21, equation number 3.21, and dp naught t by dt is equal to minus lambda p naught t, equation 3.22. Now we assume certain boundary conditions, that is at time t is equal to 0 the system is in state 0 or no birth have taken place. So we can written the equation 3.22 can be written as p naught t is equal to e to the power minus lambda t, and new equation came, equation 3.23. From equation 3.21 and 3.23 we get for k is equal to 1, dp1t by dt is equal to minus lambda p1t plus lambda e to the power minus lambda t. So value of p1t is equal to lambda t e to the power minus lambda t. Similarly for k is equal to 2, p2t is equal to lambda t square e to the power minus lambda t by factorial 2. Thus the general solution of the equation is pkt is equal to lambda t to the power k e to the power minus lambda t by k. The equation represents the probability of k arrivals in the time interval t, and equation 3.23 express the probability of 0 arrival in a given time interval or probability distribution of inter arrival times, that is the time that elapses between two arrivals. So in a Poisson process the time arrival time is exponentially distributed as interstate transition times in case of Markov process. So this is a short view of renewal process. Thank you.